Hello friend, in this video I am going to discuss about how to filter data in Tableau. So here I am using the source Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and here the table is going to use EMP table, and this is the record inside EMP table. Now hereafter let's move back to Tableau, and here first I am going to connect with Microsoft SQL Server. So you need to fill this all correct detail, and here server name you can give localhost or PC name or IP address, and here database, that is Adam. Here you can see the Adam database is there, and going to connect with user name, user SA, and here this is the password. And after filling this all detail, click on sign in. Now here after you can see the all tables, whatever the tables at this place, it's now come to the tab view. Now here let's drag EMP inside this place, and here click on update now. So this is the record inside. Now let's go to sheet 1, and here you can see table columns or displays, it's come there. And here after use control, and here select this important columns and drag inside the sheet, and here you can see this all. And here after the best way to filter the records, so you can filter the record by many ways, but I'm going to show you the best way. So add here some salads come there, you need to click this drop down. Here you can see filter, and here you can see range of values, at least, utmost and spacer. So here this is the range you can apply with. So let's or display the salary between 3 to 5,000. So here let's give here 3,000 to 5,000. Now click on OK. Here you can see the salary 3,000 to 5,000, it's displaying. Now here after the next is so this is here, this is the simplest way we can filter out. And hereafter if you want to display the salary at least, so at least I'm giving 4,000, and here click on OK. So at least 4,000 when I give, so at least means minimum, you can minimum 4,000, it can go upper, maybe higher. So here since I've given the at least 4,000, so here you can see the salary. Here you can see all the salary, that is only 4,000, only 5,000 is there. Now if I give at this place, let's click there, edit filter. So if I give 2,500 and at least 2,500, greater than 2,500 it will be okay. So it all started displaying greater than 2,500. Now like this you can use here. So like this you can use at most, and here 25,000. So minimum till that display the salary not greater than 2,500. So if I click here, here you can see the salary lies between the less than 2,500. So it's all out less than 2,500. And here let's see one more. Here we can use null values, include not null, null here. So sal column does not have any null values, commission has the null values. Okay, so we need to go at this place com, and here filter, and here click on spacer and not null. So this has the null value, only 2 has not null. So when I check this, here you can click, here you can see 0, the value had some value 0, and here this is 500 and 1400 and 300. So commission, this you can see commission So here one is 0, and in that font null, so it will filter out to the null values. So like this, let's select DPT number and filter. So you can, if you want to display or DPT number, here you can see 30 is there. So what we need to do, uh, I'm going to remove this filter at this place, and range giving 0 to 5000. Now click on OK, and hereafter let's null values. Here you can see this all null value, it's displaying, and here you can see 10 20, it's there. Now I want to display only 20, so here click on filter, and here this go to here, only here you can give at least only 10, and maybe greater than 10, that display. So here let's give utmost, and I'm going to give 20, and if I click OK, so here 10 20 it's displaying, but I want to display only 10. Okay, so what we need to do, so here let's give range 10, 0 to 10. Sorry, I want to display 20, right? So here let's give range 11 to 20. Now click on OK. Here you can see only 20 it's displaying. So by selecting this drop down, we can easily do the filter, and here this is the best way we can do